Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change payment method in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to change payment method in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to change payment method in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to change payment method in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing payment method in Shopify store is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing settings in bottom left corner. Click on it. Now click on billing. Now you are seeing payment method. There are three dots in front of payment method. Click on it. Click on replace. Add card details and then click on replace credit card. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change payment method in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.